Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Go Dynamic IT. Have you ever gone through a situation where you are working on some important file like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, PDF, CAD, etc. and something got overwritten or deleted by mistake, which you notice after some time? Don't worry, because when you have Microsoft OneDrive with you, there is no need to panic. OneDrive features a tool called version history which allow you to view and restore older version of your file stored in OneDrive or SharePoint. So let's get into our video and try to understand how the version history works. So I am on my desktop now and let's go to, we will check these both the options through by a web and through OneDrive app as well. So first check these features via OneDrive app. So let's open the Explorer and this is my OneDrive personal version. And I can see here I have a couple of documents here. And in this one, you can see this is the Excel file. So when I go to the Excel file, and this is the assume that this is the Excel file, and I'm sharing and working with the team, right? There are 4 5 people in the team, and we are working on the collaboration, right? So one more important thing that if you want to know how to share this OneDrive document, I have created a video for it. You can go ahead and watch the playlist. So this OneDrive, the OneDrive version history is very important, right? So what happens is like when you are working as a team and you have multiple people editing these files. So sometime by mistake someone deleted something or edited something which is not supposed to be done on the document, right? So how do we find it out? So what the best way is the best part of this Microsoft OneDrive is that you have a versioning history. So when you click on the version history, you can see here these are the version history you can see here, and you can see that what time it's got edited and which date it's got edited. You can see here this is edited one hour ago and this is by GDIS, and this is again the 1 hour before, and this is by the GDIS. So you can see the names and what time, like how much time back it was edited. So you can see here like 58 minutes before. You can restore it or you can view online, and again when you go back come back. So these are like options you get, you can restore it back. So let me one tell me okay, let us go back to this is the Excel. So let's go back to the Word file. When I click on the Word file version history, so you can see the similar thing here, right? You can see this file is created on the 2nd of April, right? And 10:26 p.m. If you want, you can go back and restore that file. So similar way. So this is applicable. The interesting my interesting part is like the timestamp and who is edited that. So I'm the single user who is editing that file. But if you have a multiple team, you can find it out like who has edited that file at what time, right? So you can find out somebody is goofing with the document. You can find it out, or maybe accidentally by some issues happen with the file. You can go ahead and restore it. Restoring is very simple. Go ahead and restore it. So let's see one more file, which is a presentation, a PPT file. So click on the version history and the same thing, right? Like you can see this number, who's editing that, who the person is editing that, and what time is edited that, and you can restore this file. So this is very important. Now we'll go to the web version of the same thing, and we can check that. So you can see that this is my OneDrive web version, and then when I click on, let's click on the PPT. So when you click on the PPT, and here the third option, second last, from last second option is version history. Click on the version history, and it can take you to this editing file. You can see this is the current version, and this is the older version. You can see here the time, date, and time, and you can see here this is the who is editing this file. You can see that GDIS is the user. You can restore it and you can download it. That's a cool feature, right? You can download that file as well, right? Like what time it's edited. So this is about this PPT. Let's go back and check the random. Let's like check this Word document. And when I click on the version history, version history. Okay, again it's the same thing, like this is the current version, and these are the older version. You can see here restore and download it. So when you click on the restore, it really restore the document back to which was edited at that particular time. And the other thing is, like when you go back to the same file, you can download it also. So let's, for example, I would like to download this file which is edited, and now you can see here this has been downloaded. So this is the cool thing. Let me tell you a few notes here. Like if you sign in with the personal Microsoft account, you can retrieve the last 25 versions. So last 25 version is like when you go to the version history, you can see the 25 version history over here. And for school and work account, the number of version depends on your library configuration, right? Whosoever administrator is, he can assign that. And if you are using the OneDrive for SharePoint server, your administrator may have turned off document versioning. So it's depend. If you have like OneDrive with SharePoint, check with your administrator if you are not getting this option, if you have some version related issues with that. So that's it for the videos today, and I'll see you in the next one. If you have any question, then put me in the comment. Thank you very much for watching my video.